Christmas Eve, 1945. The Sodder family home glows with warmth and laughter. Stockings hang by the fireplace, children whisper their last-minute wishes, and outside, the world is covered in a blanket of silence. But before sunrise, that warmth will turn to ashes. 5 children will vanish. No remains. No explanation. Just a mystery that refuses to die. 1 a.m. A scream shatters the night. Smoke coils through the hallway as flames spread like a living creature, devouring everything in its path. George and Jenny Sodder stumble through the thick, choking blackness, frantic, desperate. The children's rooms are behind walls of fire. Outside, George fights to reach them. The ladder he always keeps against the house? Gone. The water barrels? Frozen solid. The phone line? Dead. By the time the fire dies, so does hope. But when the ashes cool, the horror truly begins, because among the rubble, there is nothing. No bones. No bodies. Nothing at all. The fire chief shakes his head. The bodies must have been completely incinerated, he says. But Jenny knows better. She burns bones in the stove to test it herself. They never vanish. Then, the whispers begin. A woman swears she saw a man watching the fire from the road. A motel worker claims she saw the missing children weeks later, with strangers. And then, a message. Cut from a newspaper, delivered in secret. 5 chilling words, they didn't die in the fire. Jenny's hands shake as she opens the envelope. A photograph. A man in his 30s, dark eyes staring back at her. Scrolled on the back, almost tauntingly, are the words. I love you, brother Frankie. Ilil Boyce. In 90132 or 35. It's Louis. Or, it could be. The resemblance is uncanny. A private investigator is hired, tracking the letter's origin to Kentucky. And then, he vanishes. No trace. No answers. Just another person swallowed by the mystery. Years pass. Decades. The Sodders never stop searching. Their house is gone, but their pain remains, etched into a billboard towering over the highway. What happened to our children? No one can answer. No one ever has. The truth, if it exists, lies buried somewhere in time, waiting to be uncovered. Or perhaps, waiting to be forgotten.